This is the only city without traffic light in China. The streets are like a maze. There has never been traffic jams. It's also the best portal and the largest 8-diagram city in the world. This is Orthogus. Its authority centers around the 8-diagram square. Yin and Yang stretches out 8 main streets. According to the angle of 8-diagram, each main street is 1200 meters. For each 360 meters, there is a region which connects the main streets from the center to the outside. There are 4 regions. The fourth street links 8 streets, the second 16, the third 32, the fourth 64, which form 64 diagrams. That is why there are no traffic lights in 9-diagram city. Taking that view in the sky, let me show you what traffic takes from God's perspective. The whole city seems so dreamy, looks like a space city. How was the city built? Genghis Khan was fond of diagram, so he wanted Chu-Chu-Ji to find a spacious place to make a grand noise instrument. The Chu-Chu-Ji found tickets and built this 8-diagram city. I admire Asian people's wisdom and capabilities. Is there any ground building things in your hometown? Tell me in the comments.